Well, hello there guys, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I'm so glad that you stopped by today because I'm making a delicious chicken and vegetable dish. Now this is all made in one skillet. Those are some of my favorites. And the thing that's really nice about this dish is you can use any vegetable that you want. Now today I'm using Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. I know that not everybody does, and that's okay. You can use whatever you like, whether it's broccoli, peppers and onions, zucchini works really well. You can just make this dish your own. It's super easy. It comes together really quick. So yeah, let's get started and let me show you how to make it. So I'm using the boneless, skinless chicken thighs today. This is typically less expensive part of the chicken, but you can definitely use chicken breasts if you like. Then I'm going to season the chicken with some salt and pepper. Then you'll need 3 tablespoons of butter. And I have here right around 1.5 cups of Brussels sprouts that I have cleaned and chopped in half. 3 garlic cloves. I have 1/4 cup of honey and 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of a rice wine vinegar. So I'm using 3 of the chicken thighs and then I'm going to freeze the rest of them. And then I'm going to cut my chicken thighs into small pieces. This helps to stretch that chicken a little bit further. All right, I'm going to season with a little salt and black pepper. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the butter into my skillet. And I'm going to let that melt. Then I'm going to add my chicken. And I'm going to let this cook. And if you don't want to use butter, you don't have to. You could use olive oil if you would prefer. You can even use a sesame oil. Since this is an Asian flavored dish, sesame oil would work really well. All right, then I'm going to add my garlic. I prefer to use fresh garlic, but if you have the stuff that's minced that's in the jar that you keep in your refrigerator, that works too. I like the flavor of fresh garlic better. And I love my garlic press here. This is a Pampered Chef garlic press. I've had it for years. A lot of people have asked me about it. All right, that chicken cooks up really quick when you cut it into smaller pieces. And so now I'm going to add the soy sauce, the vinegar, and the honey. All right, now I'm going to add my Brussels sprouts. And I'm going to let them cook till the Brussels sprouts are tender. Now I'm not going to cover this. I'm wanting that sauce to reduce. I'm going to turn my heat down to a medium heat, reducing the heat slightly. We just want those Brussels sprouts to cook in that sauce, and we want the sauce to reduce. Bella, are you wanting something to eat? Does it smell good in this kitchen? And as you guys can see, I'm serving this with some brown rice. And as you can see, this is super easy to make. And the sauce is so flavorful. It is sweet and tangy. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.